Welcome to AI in 8 minutes or less, your daily AI update. Okay, let's just dive right in because we have some absolutely huge news. The entire source code for Anthropic's Claude Code has apparently leaked online. And this isn't just some minor leak, it reveals how the whole thing works and everything they have planned for the rest of the year.
And you know that is not an exaggeration. This leak is a total bombshell. It lays Anthropic's entire roadmap bare for everyone to see, their competitors, and, well, us. What it shows is a suite of mind-blowing new features that are about to completely change how we all interact with AI. So let's break down the biggest secrets that this code has just revealed.
First up, and this is probably the biggest deal of all, is a fundamental change in what an AI agent even is. We are moving away from AI being just a passive tool you command and into an era where it's actually a proactive partner. So the big idea here is this incredible shift. Up until now, AI assistants have been totally reactive. You tell them what to do, they do it. Simple. But what this leak shows is a new proactive mode, where the AI doesn't just sit around and wait for you. It actually thinks ahead, it comes up with its own tasks, and it just starts working on them. It's not just a tool anymore. It's basically becoming a self-thinking employee.
Okay, let's make this real. Imagine you ask Claude Code, hey, build me a simple to-do list app. The old AI would do that and then just stop. But in this new proactive mode, after it finishes the basic app, it starts thinking for itself. It goes, okay, what would make this better? And then, boom, without you even asking, it starts building a calendar function or a project management tool. It's the difference between a simple coder and a genuine creative partner.
And this whole idea of autonomy, it's not just for when you're sitting at your computer. The next feature that was uncovered takes this to a whole other level. Get this. It's literally called dream mode. So while you're asleep, your AI agent is actually thinking about your project. It's brainstorming, it's planning, it's designing what you could do next. This means you can wake up every morning to a whole new set of ideas ready to go. Talk about a productivity boost.
Of course, all of this new brain power needs some serious horsepower to run. And, well, the leak showed off a whole new lineup of incredibly powerful models and tools to do just that. So let's take a look under the hood. The code mentions 3 brand new models. First, you've got Opus 47, which is the sequel to the model a lot of people already consider the best on the planet. Then there's Sonnet 48, an upgraded, faster version of their lightweight model. And then there's the really big one, Capiara, which is also called Mythos. This is their next-gen beast, designed to be even bigger and better than Opus. And it's reportedly getting close to AGI-like capabilities. That's artificial general intelligence, an AI with human-like reasoning.
So here's a problem we've all faced with AI agents: control. You either get a YOLO mode that just does stuff without asking, which can be pretty reckless, or you're stuck clicking approve for every tiny little change. Smart Auto Mode is the solution. It's an intelligent middle ground. The AI itself uses machine learning to figure out if an action is safe enough to just do it, or if it's kind of risky and needs to check with you first.
All these features are amazing, right? But they all hit a major wall when money gets involved. The next feature found in the leak? Well, it's designed to just smash that wall down completely.
This is a total game changer. It's called Agentic Payments, and it uses a crypto-based system called the X42 protocol. Basically, you can give your AI agent its own budget using a stablecoin like USDC, and it can then go online and buy things for you, all on its own. No credit cards, no human needing to approve every single purchase. So what does this actually mean in practice? It means your AI can handle a whole project from start to finish. If you ask it to build you a website, it can go out and buy the domain name, it can purchase the hosting plan, and it can even buy a design template, all by itself. This removes that payment roadblock and unlocks true autonomy.
But it's not all just about pure function. The leak also shows that Anthropic is working on building a more personal, almost emotional connection between us and our AI.
And they're doing this with a feature called Buddy Mode. What this does is give your AI agent a little digital avatar that can actually live right there on your desktop and interact with you while you work.
This quote from the source just nails it. Remember Tamagotchi from back in the day? It's kind of like that, but instead of a simple pet, it's a super intelligence. You can pick an avatar, like a chicken or a duck, and it walks around your screen and actually evolves based on the projects you build. It turns this faceless tool into a personalized companion, which is a surprisingly cool way to get people to engage with this stuff.
So, with all of these massive secrets just out in the open, you have to ask, what does this mean for Anthropic and for the rest of the AI world?
You can really look at this in 2 ways. On one hand, yeah, the damage is pretty obvious. Their entire secret roadmap is now public.
Competitors like Google and OpenAI know everything. It could definitely hurt their plans for an IPO. But, on the other hand, the real secret sauce for these companies isn't the code. It's the super powerful, super expensive models like Opus. And this leak, it's created an absolutely insane amount of hype and attention. It might actually be the best marketing they never had to pay for.
And that really is the million-dollar question, isn't it? While I'm sure the execs at Anthropic are having a bit of a panic, the rest of us now have this crystal-clear vision of a wild new future for AI. Only time's going to tell if this leak cripples the company or if it accidentally just launched them light years ahead of everybody else.